Discuss about electric potential energy or electrostatic potential energy due to system of charges. So what is the system of charges? More than two charges, more than two, it's create a system. So consider a positive charge plus Q. So what is the potential at the point P due to the charge Q? So potential V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So R is the distance between the charge and the point P. Now we bring a charge, that plus Q, another plus Q, from infinity to the finite point. So we need to apply some force, some work is done to shift a charge from infinite to finite. So some work is done. So that work done is stored as potential energy. So work done is equal to, we need to shift charge Q. There is a potential V is applied. So consider the charge is Q2, charge Q1. So Q2 into, so from the charge from it's 1 to 2. So it's the AB. So we are shifting a charge from infinite to finite. What is the potential energy? So already I told work done is stored as potential energy. So that potential energy is equal to, that is electrostatic potential energy is equal to Q2 times 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. So R is the distance between the two charges. Just rewrite 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. This is the potential energy of 2-point charges, but we need to know what is the system of charges. For a system of charges, how we need to proceed? So just consider a plus Q here. This one is plus Q. Here it's located at the point A. Another charge. So bring the charge from infinite to, so there is no need of work done. Another charge plus, it is located at point P. The distance between the one A and B is 1 to 2. So to bring the charge from infinity to the finite point P, we need to do some work. So what is the work done? That work done is stored as potential energy, already we know. So U is equal to Q, that is Q2 into that potential. So potential is due to the charge 1, so it's V1B. So due to the charge plus Q, we are shifting a charge, there is a repulsive force acts between the unlike charges. So we can write it as Q2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. It's for two charges. Now I bring another charge here at C. So the distance between the two charges from A, it's R1 to 3, R2 to 3. That's all. So we need to bring the charge, the third charge. We are bringing the charge from infinity. So what type of work is done? That work done is, we bring the charge Q3, so Q1, Q2, Q3. So what are the potential acts? The potential due to the charge 1, so that is V1C. So it's C. Then due to the second charge V2C. That's all. So the charge, its disturbance. So this plus charge disturb the charge to bring the charge at place the point C. So just use Q3 times, so 1C. So it's between the charge Q1 and Q3. So Q1 and Q3 by R1 to 3 plus then Q2 Q3 by or 2 to 3. So there is no need of Q3, we have already written inside. So Q3 times, so 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. As usual, you may write it as K, it's enough. K is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. So that is the total energy. So for a system of charge, we need to add 1 and 2. So this one is 1, so it's 2. So adding 1 and 2, you will get total potential energy due to the system of charges. So this is a system. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, taking common out, Q1 Q2 by R12 plus Q1 Q3 by R13 Q2 Q3 by, so that's all. Now we need to have some discussion. If you bring the charge 1 and 2, if 1 is at rest, the charge 2 is bring from infinity, or we bring the two charges from infinity are the same, because the potential energy is a conservative. What's my conservative? It depends upon the initial and final position, not depends upon the path. So that is conservative. So if it is non-conservative means it doesn't. So for example, non-conservative is frictional force. So there is a loss of energy due to the friction. So we have studied in +1. Then we bring the charge Q3. At a time we bring all the three charges from infinity to finite point, the result is same. Or we place the charge Q1 fixed, we bring the charge Q2 first. Again we place the two charges, again we bring the third charge. For all the three discussions, we have the same result. So the total potential energy due to the system of charges is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 Q2 R12 R13 R23 at the distance between the 2 points. Okay students, so next we discuss what is the torque experienced by the